Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. There are 5 sticks measured 2 cm, 3 cm, 5 cm, 4 cm and 6 cm. If 3 sticks are randomly picked, how many ways of randomly getting 3 sticks from 5 sticks is? So here we use combination formula. Combination formula. So which is NCR equal to n factorial divided by r factorial multiplied by n minus r factorial. Here n is, there are 5 sticks, so n is 5 and r is 3. So 5c3 is 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial and 5 minus 3 factorial, which is equal to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 multiplied by 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial. So 2, 1. So let's see, this 3 will cancel out. These two 2's will multiply and form 4. So this 4 will cancel out. We are left with 5 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 10. So there are 10 ways of randomly getting 3 sticks. Answer is option D.